Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Deep Rock Galactic join failed to join server error. The error reads, join failed to join server. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to join a multiplayer session but are unable to connect. Some users have reported that repeatedly trying to join a server can cause the issue to stack up. According to our research, the issue may be related to network settings, VPN interference, or server outages. Now let's go through the possible fixes for the error. Many users have reported that a simple reboot often resolves the error. So we suggest you also try the same as the first step. Simply close the game completely. Then wait a few seconds and relaunch the game. If the error continues, check if an update is available for the game. If yes, then install it. If the game is already up to date and you previously made changes to your DNS settings, revert them to default and see if the error continues. In case you're using a VPN, disable it and then try joining the server again. If the error still persists and you are not using a VPN, then try switching to a different network. You can connect to an alternate Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot. Once connected to the other network, check if the error is still occurring. At last, if none of the previous steps work, Steam servers might be down. To check the Steam server status, visit steamstat.us and check if Steam is experiencing any server outages. If the servers are down, you may need to wait for them to be restored before trying again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.